How to change profile picture and fix icons not showing in Google Messages Samsung. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Next, we tap on the profile icon at the top here. Now by default, you may see there is a letter like D, V, C, whatever. So what you want to do is tap on it. Then you can either tap on your profile, otherwise we can tap on the pictures at the top here. Next, we can choose upload from device if you already have a picture in your gallery. You can use a camera to take a picture, or you can select a picture from Google Photos. I will select upload from device. Here we can select a picture and then tap on done. I'll just do it again, make sure it is selected, then tap on done. Now it's uploading photos, so we just wait. And then tap on next, then tap on save as profile picture. Okay, after that we can then tap on the back key, and you can see that we have now successfully updated the profile picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.